Jim Rose, you look at here.
Learning how to.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, anak. Bye-bye.
She loves cooking.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy.
She just wants to play on it. Well, she loves to. No, she's learning how to use it. She's learning how to turn it on. She's finding out how to turn it on.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, bye-bye, Daddy.
Say hi.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy. What's that? Bye-bye, Daddy.
Baby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? You wanna play with that iPad? Slower?
Save na lang ato ligos, babe.
May dala pa na magbaso dito na